Alright, you're on, my friend.
Hello, and welcome back to Better Totes and Gardens. I've been away. I haven't been away. I've been very, very busy. I've had some shocking stuff happen over the last, how long has it been? 5 weeks? It's been
only been a week.
Since I've been having a bad time. It's been about 5 weeks where I've had a lot of some shit stuff happen. I'm allowed to swear now on YouTube. Watch out, motherfuckers. No. Anyway, it's been a bit of a weird one. We've had some things happen. But anyway, we are getting back into Better Totes and Gardens. Just because I needed some time to get some personal stuff out of the way, which some of you may or may not know about. It was a bit of a tragedy for Leanne and I, but we're onwards and upwards. And we've been very, very busy with some work stuff. But anyway, this Friday at the Tote, we're going to be having a little thing called ABC 774 coming down and doing a live broadcast from the Tote about the state of live music in Melbourne particularly, but I think this is Australia-wide, and what we can all do, and especially what maybe some politicians can do in order to support us, especially small venues and small bands, because I'm telling you the absolute fucking truth here, this is not easy. It is probably, I'll give you an example. Today they came out with saying that the hardest working professions in per hour are cattle farmers who work an average of 54 hours per week. Well, I got them by about 40. So Leanne and I both work between 90 and 100 hours a week. So I would say that we do it a bit tougher, and we don't have much government support, and the ways in which the government kind of fob us off, I think, is kind of sad. And we're going to talk all about that. We're also going to talk about what all of us can do. Now, I know all of us, you guys, all you people out there watching this know what you can do. But one of the things you can do is come down to the Tote between 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. this Friday. We're going to have a couple of very special guests. I'm very excited there's going to be a live performance on air for Drive Live, which I don't think 774 do much fucking live music, but they are this time. And we've got some very special guests jumping up, talking about it. They're going to talk to the audience as well, so you can come forward and put what you think should happen for politicians.
You're going to say in the comments and say to their face.
You can say it to their face. You can say it on air. So it's a very good opportunity for you to get your viewpoint across, because your viewpoint is, as punters and even musicians or whatever you are, is just as important. We're going to have a free barbecue supplied courtesy of my very thin wallet. And there's going to be a whole heap of shit happening. We've got Magic Dirt that night. If you don't have a ticket, I'm really sorry. It is sold out. And yeah, I think it's really important that we show up down here to make it known that we're not going to be pushed around by everyone, and that these live music venues will continue into the future and will be treated equally or fairly. And artists can be treated fairly. All those things. So I think it's important. Come on down. It'll be good. Leanne will be here. I'll be here. Gaz will be here. And Gaz, what are you going to be doing? I've got to flip over here.
Going to make an episode of Better Totes and Gardens about it.
There we go. So it's going to be a great day. Yeah. Anyway, I'd just like to thank all those people that have reached out over the last month to Leanne and I. Thank you very much. Thank you to Gaz and Jared Goon who picked up our slack while we were doing some other stuff. And yeah, come down this Friday. It'll be good. Have I missed anything, Gaz? I see you awkwardly holding that camera, and I'm like, oh, yeah, that's what I thought. Anyway,
I'm fine.
He's fine. But yeah, that's going to be the Better Totes and Gardens for this week. We're sorry. We're just, as I said, been doing other stuff.
Hey, it's better than nothing.
It's better than nothing, But come down this week, Drive Live with Ali Moore. I'm a featured guest, so you can see me stutter in real life. Leanne refuses to go on the radio. Or camera. But yeah, it'll be a good day. So come on down. It'll be fun. Anyway, that's Better Totes and Gardens this week.
I don't want to be on camera today. I'm not ready.
Oh, God.